In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device. Now, you'll usually find the Facebook Marketplace at the navigation bar. To be able to get that, go ahead and head over to your menu section. So, click on the top right corner of your screen. In here, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. And in here, you'll be able to find Settings. Click on Settings. Now go ahead and click on Tab Bar under Preferences. Click on Customize the bar. In here, go ahead and click on the drop-down menu beside the Marketplace. Now select Pin to Pin Marketplace to your navigation bar. Now, once you head back to your Facebook homepage, you'll be able to find the marketplace icon on your navigation bar, and that's how you can get Facebook Marketplace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.